How to download Hamster Kombat app quick and easy. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to download the Hamster Kombat app on your phone. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, the app works for both iOS and Android, but for now, I'll be using my iPhone since I don't have an Android device. So the first thing that we need to do is to open up the App Store if you're using iOS, or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. So let's open that up, and then just go to your search bar right here, click on the search bar, and then after that, what you want to do is to search for an app called Telegram. So let's just search up for Telegram right there, and then what you want to do is to install this app right here, Telegram Messenger. So just install that, and then once it's done installing, just open it up and then just create an account. So I'll just open my Telegram app, and then once you're done opening up the Telegram app, what you want to do is to just click on the search bar right here, and then just search up for Hamster Kombat. Make sure that the Hamster Kombat that you'll be choosing has the check mark beside it. So it's this one right here. So just click on that, and then from here, what you want to do is to just type in /start, just like this one right here, and then after that, you'll be greeted by this: hello, welcome to Hamster Kombat, etc, etc. So what you need to do now is just click on play in one click. So just click on that, and then after that, Hamster Kombat will now start loading. So let's just wait for this to finish loading, and then there you go. We are now in Hamster Kombat. So as you can see over here, we have now access in Hamster Kombat, so we can tap to earn coins, choose some mining stations right here to mine coins. They have a playground option. You can also invite your friends and earn coins by watching YouTube videos and have access to daily rewards. And they have an airdrop feature right here to connect your wallet. So yeah, you're now done installing Hamster Kombat. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to download Hamster Kombat on your phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.